High five.
Hey, it's your turn, buddy.
Come here. Okay, we did good. Come on, buddy. Bye-bye. All right. Take Zeta up there. Take her hand. Take Zeta up there.
Come on, Gigi. Just a second, guys.
Sorry. Bye-bye. They were very excited.
All right, here's our.
Now you want to scare us if we won't go.
No.
Hey, Princess.
Zeta.
Hi, guys. Princess.
Zeta. Hey, Zeta, turn around. Zeta, turn around. Hey, look over here.
Where's Daddy?
Hey, Zeta, over here.
She doesn't want to take her eyes.
That's fine. Hey, bud, look over here.
Mickey has that effect on people sometimes.
Mickey's trying to turn you around so he can take a picture with you, Zeta.
All right.
Excellent.
All right, say goodbye.
There's your card back.
Thank you. Say bye-bye. You give him a kiss? Oh, that's nice. Come on, say bye-bye.
See you later.